Hi everybody, welcome back to another short tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily edit your PDF files with the help of Microsoft Word. So to edit the file, you have to make sure that you have the latest Office 365 application installed, which includes Microsoft Word as well. So all you need to do is just open the Word file and here click on File, then click on Open, then browse the file which you want to edit, select the file and hit Open. So here the dialog box will open. Here all you need to do is just click on OK and wait. The less number of pages, the less time it will take to load the file. Then click enable editing, click OK, and here you go. Now you can easily edit the file and then click on file, save as, change its format to PDF, save back to the PDF. Today we learn how to edit the PDF file in Microsoft Word with a very simple and easiest way. So that's it for today's short tutorial. See you in the next one.